Easiest to set it up. Oh gosh, it's, flip it up. Very nice. Yeah, it came with some gloves. Very nice. Max weight, I believe, is 300 pounds. I weigh 180. Watch your fingers. Watch your fingers, okay? Lift this up. Hello everyone. Okay, I'm going to show you this ladder here. I'm going to grab it here. You can see this ladder has wheels in it. It is 40 pounds, so you can see me driving it around. It makes it really nice, really easy, nice. I'm going to take it out here. I'm going to set it up. So here's the ladder here. I gotta extend it out. Takes you can see here, is it stable? It is stable, but I recommend having, you gotta have two people. You have one person to spot you to get on there. I'll test it out here. You can see I'm getting on here. Pretty stable. It does go up all the way. "20 foot. Yeah, to collapse it, you just got to push these down. Now, we even have some structure here to unlock it. And you probably want to start from the bottom. Gotta watch your finger when you do it. And when you do raise it, you go in underneath here and you just raise it up. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Try to collapse it here. Looks like when you collapse it, you want to that's all you gotta do. The bottom here. So watch your fingers when you do it. I usually start the bottom first. Work back and forth. Not bad. I do like it. Okay, it takes some use to get to, but pay about $200 for it. Pay for the convenient, right? The key to this is you gotta get each one. This one's the bottom one. Voila, and that's it. And then you lift this up to close it. Tie it up. Strap it up. And that's it. Drag it with your wheels. Here I'm showing you how thick these joints are. Do you see that? They're thick, made out of aluminum. You have an extra safety bar down here for stability. Instruction manual here, or instruction how to unlock and lock it. This is your lock to unlock the A-frame. Pretty simple to use too.